With a Jayco full-timer's warranty, a master bedroom, and bunk beds, this might be the perfect RV for a family. All right, come inside. We're gonna check out the interior first. Right as you come in, you have this open floor plan, and this couch turns into a bed. I think it goes like so.
Oh my goodness.
Ta-da! And now you have a bed.
It's like a magic trick.
Yeah, pretty much.
There's storage under there too, look at that.
You can put a lot of things in it. Now that you say that, you can put a lot of canned foods, seasonal items, decorations. And when it's not turned into a bed, you can enjoy some yummy cold drinks over here because they have some cup holders for you.
That's great. I love White Claws. That's where I'd put it. That's a girly drink. Sorry, guys.
Weird. On this wall here, I guess there's a lot of windows and not a lot of wall.
Yeah, they're definitely anti-wall.
Black valances. We do have these shades that come down. 4 lights over here on the slide, and a booth style seating for those yummy meals that you want to have together. Those are the best memories, is eating with your family members. All right, and now this is pretty nifty, I will say. This turns into additional storage. You can put additional paper towels, stock items, I don't know, things that you just want to have handy.
Oversized Costco items.
Did you say just Costco?
Costco.
Oh,
well, yeah, because you're cost and co. It's okay. I haven't been there much.
As well as on this side. Okay, so really cool. Love it. Now the kitchen is an L-shaped kitchen. We have a sink, nice and large. Storage, look at that. Microwave, a fan, a little light, and a 3-burner stovetop. And look at this, you can make a pizza in there. All right, nice drawers here for your pots and pans. And, oh my gosh, you guys, we have a knife rack for safety. We don't want kids touching no knives, and you know, it's back here for their safety.
I love safety. It's my top 3 favorite things.
Ice cold fridge, freezer.
It's a decent sized one too. It's not like a little baby one.
Yeah. All right, now this is gonna be your pantry / closet area. There's a hanging rod for your hangables. Did I say that right? Hanging rod.
Odd place to put your jackets, but then again, where else would you put them? So that's great.
You do have bunk beds right here.
It's a little give and take here, guys.
Work with the space.
Give and take.
If you're going to cool places, you know, you don't really need a lot of stuff. You just need to see a lot of cool places. Bunk bed number 1, bunk bed number 2. We do have a window on that wall and a light and outlet on this as well. So underneath is going to be some storage. Look at that. You can put some serious bins up in there. Oh my goodness. This bathroom is big. Drop down shower.
It's got a little ledge. It's a ledge shower. How about that?
It looks like a little tub. Honestly, you could probably wash your dog in here. This is actually very convenient. Skylight here for that extra head space. We have a shower curtain and a toilet here. Oh my goodness. Lots of leg space, some storage in there, sink and mirror, as well as a medicine cabinet. Back into the living space. Oh, and we also have these AC units, which is going to be a lifesaver on those hot days. Okay, so on this wall is going to be your controls for your awnings. Right as you come in, you have a place to, wow, that is, when I looked at it, I was like, oh, that's pretty big. And then I was like, oh my gosh, it's actually really big. Lots of space. On this wall, additional cabinets and a place to put your TV. Open cubby here, a place to maybe put, I don't know, some games, board games.
Let's put shoes down there.
Put shoes under here. Yep, they can live under there. All right, let's go pop into the master bedroom. We do also have a AC unit right in here. His and her closets. Now this can also pop out if you needed to. Nice and large night table, I guess.
Very long.
Yeah. It goes very, very deep. And then outlets on either side in case you need a CPAP machine. Window here, again, with the shade coming down. Black valances. And we do have this farmhouse look to it. Up top is where you can put your books, maybe a cute plant, make it cozy and warm and, I don't know if I said warm. Cozy.
Cozy.
Cozy and yeah, I guess warm, fuzzy.
I'll put my knitting gear up there.
And then on that side, we have a closet space, and that table right there is...
It's wider too. If you look
Oh,
at
is it? Oh.
Bigger. It's the one I would take.
Oh, really?
I have bigger books.
We're gonna have to do rock, paper, scissors it. Oh my gosh, look at that. A lot of space, a lot of space. I did not think it was gonna have this much space, but I'm actually very impressed.
This is different. Most of the time they have it closed off, so it actually kind of changes things around. You don't have to be...
You don't have to lift the bed.
Yeah.
You don't have to lift the bed. You can just...
Can't be doing all that stuff. I'm over 30. It's tiring.
You still have to bend over. You still have to bend down and get the bins underneath. So, I mean, I don't know. You can put lots of things underneath. And of course, you do have these doors for privacy. They're sliding doors. Bam! And that way you have privacy.
Which is nice. Some RVs, they just have curtains. But they gave you real doors, guys. Real doors.
Real doors. Real doors.
This
is a nice touch.
It's a very long window.
It's like, you know, what's going on over there?
I'm telling you, this Jayco is anti-wall. They're pro window.
I love windows. They make me so happy. All right, now before we go outside, we're going to talk about some specs. The dry weight of this unit is going to be 5,675 pounds. The gross weight is going to be at 7,200 pounds. The exterior overall length of this bad boy is 30 feet and 5 inches. The exterior height is 10 feet and 1 inch. The awning length is 19 feet. Freshwater capacity, 55 gallons. Gray water is at 38 gallons. And black tank is at 38 gallons. It sleeps up to 10 people. It does have a tankless water heater. All right, let's go outside and check it out. All right, going outside, we have this flipper door. And it does have a net.
Mosquito net.
Mosquito net.
Keep those mosquitoes away.
Yeah. And I love this little brush situation because, you know, keeps the dirt out. 19-foot awning.
That
with
awning
an
is huge,
LED light.
guys.
Yeah, it's huge.
Almost the entire RV, guys. Look at that.
Almost, yeah.
That's way above average size.
Well, yeah, it's huge. All right, now storage underneath is going to be here. Now, this is going to be your pass-through. One on here, and then there's another door on the other side, propane tank. And of course you can, no more drilling, no more cranking, none of that. Forget it. It's 2026 and we need buttons.
I do like buttons.
We need buttons. We need electrical buttons.
Buttons are great.
For, you know, leveling out. All right, this is gonna be your storage. This is locked.
But
this
it
is gonna
goes
be
to the other
storage.
side.
Yes, for the other side. All right, nice, simple, you know, it's nice and clean exterior. We have a slide here. And then, of course, your connections to your hoses and poles are going to be right there.
You have your rims and you have your suspension here as well. Nice black rims too.
All right, now we got to go around this big old bush to get to the other side. It's like a journey. All right.
Life is a journey, one might say.
Oh, yes. Backup camera prepped. Nice window here. And then tankless water heater. All right. And this door is locked, but we do have a mini fridge in here to keep those ice cold drinks. Iced and cold. And we are back at the front. But now let's not forget Jayco's amazing warranty for full timers. I mean, this is like, you can't miss it. You're like, if you miss it, you're losing. All right, but the coolest part of all is that if you buy this through Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits and exclusive Loves discounts. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.